Hey friends! Welcome to my channel. Welcome everybody that's back. My loyal subscribers. My good friend. Welcome to everybody that's new. You soon gonna be my friend too. Bars. So for today's video, I decided to do a pink spring makeup tutorial. I wanted it to be glittery, I wanted it to be fun, and this is what I came up with. So with all that said, enough talking, worrying, let's get on to the video. Guys, the most heartbreaking thing has just happened to me. I did this entire eye just to realize it wasn't recording. Heart shattered. I was so upset. I was really about to be like, you know what? Flip a table. I ain't doing this no more. And then I was like, oh, I've already started. You haven't uploaded something in ages. Just get on with it. I'm so flipping annoyed. I'm so annoyed. I'm so annoyed. I'm so annoyed. So, to repeat what I had said earlier to myself, I started off with the mini Masquerade palette and I used two colors in that one. I used Bori and I used Zobo, and I used Bori as my transition color. It's a type of pink I really like. I look at it and I'm like, next, because it's so flipping bright. Look how bright that is. Look how bright this pink is. It's so pigmented. Juvia's place never disappoints. That's all I'm saying. We're gonna now go in with Zobo, this more plum, purpley, pretty color. And we're gonna use that on the outskirts, the inner skirts. We're gonna use it on the outside and the inside and also on the crease. Please, I just realized I didn't explain. I explained it the first time around, but I'm using this brush here, which I broke like right before I started recording the video. So excuse my ratchetry. You're just gonna have to forgive me, guys. Like, this is just how I'm gonna have to like use the brush. Right then, and now for the main event, ladies and gentlemen. I present to you my new favorite glitter palette. This is a Makeup for Melanin Girls glitter palette, which I saw Jackie Aina use, and I was like, so I just had to get me one. It was £27 and you can get it on their website, Makeup for Melanin Girls. I think it's worth it personally. The glitters in here are so like beautiful. They're so pigmented. Like they don't need a glitter what's it called, primer underneath. You literally look at that with just one small stroke and it's like, hi, I'm here and I'm not going anywhere. The only thing that annoyed me about this is the fact that I had to pay customs fees and I forgot. You know, every time you order from America and then it comes and you're just like, because the customs fee was like 11 flipping pounds. So I'm paying out here, paying like 30 quid to just get this palette here. And I was like, if you live in England and you're willing to pay the money for it, then why not? But if you're in America, then you got it good, girl. You got it so good. Get yourself one of these because they're so worth it. In this palette, I'm going to use these two colors here. I'm going to use that one, but I'm going to use it underneath because I still want the little purple glitters in there somehow. And then I'm going to use this one right at the center because it's like a really pretty bright pink. So I'm going to start firstly with that one, the purple. And all you have to do is literally just rub onto your finger and pat. You can use a brush, but I don't know. If you want a more precise look, use a brush. But if you don't really need it, you can use your finger. For this one, I want it to be quite widespread. And you see that's 2 pats. Oh my gosh. Well, 2 pats on there. Yeah, so now that we used that, we're gonna go brighter with a pink. And just pack that on. Look how pretty, so pretty. For my lashes, I'm using these Glamify lashes. They're quite, oh, got really close to you. It happened to me again. I thought I was recording again about my lashes and I wasn't. What's going on with me today? Somebody pray for me, please. I'm a mess, I'm a mess. Anyway, I'm using these Glamify lashes that I've used before. They're very wispy. They are the GC6 ones and I got them from Miss Pat. So now that I've done that section of the eyes, I'm going to stop there on them and I'm going to move on to my face. I've already color corrected. For my primer, I'll be using the Revolution Pro Prime Aqua Primer Base. And for my foundation, I'll be using the Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation in the shade Mocha. And I'll apply that using a damp beauty blender. I love this foundation so much. I'm now gonna conceal, and for that I'm gonna use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I'm using it in the shade Deep Golden, which is now also known as Dark 46. So good. I love the way it feels. I love the applicator. And you know me, Colourpop can't ever go wrong with me. Like, I'm their ride or die, for real. And this applicator, it just feels so flipping nice. It's so soft, and the amount of like product that it gives is perfect. This thing better be recording. If I turn around and I see that thing is not recording right now, a table is definitely getting flipped. I am also gonna use the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C17 to contour. I think it's a bit dark for me. I don't know why I got this shade, but here I am. So I'm only using like a small amount because I'm not trying to play myself. And with this product as well, like a lot of the time you see that you don't need too much of it. Oh, see, even now I've put too much. Ugh. And I'm blending it out first because I know that when I move on, because of the fact that it's dark, I wanna work with it first so that if I mess up, I can correct it with the concealer, with the lighter concealer. So now trying to find a side. Now I'm using a side that I haven't used. I'm gonna just blend out the Colourpop one. Then I'm gonna go right underneath here as well. Cause some of us ain't got no cheekbones, honey. We have to create some. And I'm gonna try and blend that out into each other. Lord, it's dried. Has it gone and dried? This stuff has gone and dried. It's fine, it's fine. We'll fix it with a bronzer. That was actually my first time using the No Filter concealer, and I think I love it. I feel like the finish, never mind me messing up on my forehead because I left it for too long, and now I'm gonna have to sort that out using powders and stuff. But like the way it feels and the way it looks, it's so creamy. It's so like, perfect. I just love it. I love it. And now you do see why I use foundation that's a bit darker than me, because this tends to happen. But it's fine, because normally I can find the correct concealer shades for myself, but I can't find the correct foundation shades for myself. So really and truly, it doesn't really matter as long as I can conceal and contour correct. I normally kind of can get my color right, but yeah, that's where I tend to get darker foundation. So now I'm gonna set everything, and I'm gonna use the Beauty Bakery Flower Powder in yellow. I'm just gonna quickly dust everything away. Don't know what possessed me to put these earrings on like before I done all this. Then I'm going to quickly bronze up my face because I want to be glowing and shimmering and shining for the world. I'm going to use the CoverGirl Queen Collection bronzer in Ebony Bronze. I'm also gonna use it to contour. Then I'm gonna blend it out. Because nobody wants a harsh line. And now for my utmost favorite part. I'm gonna use the Revolution Vivid Baked Bronze bronzer as my highlighter. I love this bronzer so flipping much as a highlighter. Oh, I think I just like a bronzy and rose gold. I'm trying to find the perfect rose gold highlighter. If anybody knows one, please tell me because I need it in my life. But yeah, I'm trying to find like a perfect rose gold bronzy highlighter because as the months go by, I will get darker for sure. So I want to find like as many bronze highlighters that I can swim in, you know? So that's what I'm using, and it's like this. Oh, look at that. You can just tell it's gonna be nice. God bless Revolution. Okay, so now using that same highlighter, I'm gonna also use it in my tear duct because I wasn't sure whether to use the silver or not, but I'm gonna try the gold first. Okay, so while I'm still here on the face, I'm gonna just do my lips and then move back onto my eyes. So I'm gonna go for a new lip. I'm gonna use the NYX Lingerie what? Oh, it's just NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick. Oh, it's in the color 04. That's what I'm gonna go with. And I'm also gonna use the Colourpop Pitch lip pencil because I haven't had a brown lip pencil for the longest time. I've just been using like purples and pinks and stuff like that, but I needed one. I saw Pitch and somebody used it in a tutorial and I liked it, so I thought I'm gonna just get that. So I'm using Pitch first. I'm gonna go in with the liquid lipstick, which I've never used before. Lord Jesus, I'm scared already. There is already genuine fear in my heart. Right, the color's fine. I want something subtle, something that blends in with my face, which is okay. But I'm not liking the way it's drying, so I think I'm gonna add some gloss on top of it just so we can escape this. So on top of that, I'm gonna go in with Miss Sporty's Marvelous Mocha Lip Gloss. Now we're gonna move back up to the lower lash line. I'm just gonna quickly use Bori on the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna use the Rimmel London Scandalise Extreme Mascara. And that is pretty much it. I'm done. Oh my gosh, I still feel so weird not wearing eyeliner. So that's the end of the video. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up, please. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps your sister here, please. Hey, please. And if you're new here, please also subscribe. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you next time. But for now, I love you.